You mean to tell me you went through all that stress, all them tears, all that pain, all the experiences that you had to experience just for you to give up now? Nah, this is not the ending. This is just the beginning. God is getting ready to turn your pain into your purpose. And I need you to understand that it is time for you to stop having a pity party for yourself. It's time for you to stop saying that you are a victim to your circumstance. And it's time for you to level up. It's time for you to understand that everything that you went through was still a part of your journey. It was just a chapter in your book, but that does not mean that it was the final story. So it's time for you to go ahead and to tap into your inner power and to wake up and to believe that you are still being called. God didn't bring you this far to leave you. He didn't bring you this far to forsake you. He didn't bring you this far for you to water every seed that you have planted just for it not to turn into a harvest. It's go time, and I want you to understand that now is your time. So let's go. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara. If you are new here on this channel, I teach you guys how to use your passions, your gifts, your experience, your knowledge, your pain, like anything that you have been through. I am here to help you to understand that you have a purpose on this earth and that you can literally change the world by using any of these things by selling digital products. When it comes to the things that we experience in life, I need you to understand that it is bigger than what you see externally. It is more so about what God can do to use you, how you can help somebody else to overcome that same obstacle. Every person that has become successful literally has a story. They were able to turn their test into a testimony. And that's what I need you to understand on today, that if you have been through pain, it did not stop your purpose from being fulfilled. You have to learn to just view it differently. You have to stop being a victim to the problems and the situation, and you have to take control. You have to accept accountability. Even though you was not born into a rich family will still be born into you. Everything that I've experienced in life, I understood that I had to take those moments and I had to turn it for my good. And I had to either take it as a lesson so that I can do better in life, or take it and let it destroy me. And for me, I chose to take every test that I went through, every pain that I endured, and I turned it for my greater. And that's why my message today is so strong. That's why I'm so big and I'm such an advocate for talking about God and talking about your purpose and making sure that you understand that this isn't even about money. Money will come. Yes, starting a digital product business will still help you financially, but when you understand that this stuff is bigger than you, you understand that there is no giving up, there is no quitting, there is no turning the page. You have to be willing to walk it. You have to be willing to talk it. You have to be willing to show up, because people are attached to your assignment. You guys, I literally had to change my mindset to remember, this is not even about me. This is about you guys. It's about making sure that I'm bringing the message that God gave me. It's about showing up and making sure that you understand that you have a destiny and you have a purpose that has to be fulfilled. You were put here for a reason. God didn't give you breath just so that you can look cute. He didn't give you breath just so that you can work a 9-to-5 job. He gave it to you because an assignment was attached to your destiny. So the moment you realize that it's so much bigger than you, the moment you realize that God ordained you, the moment you realize that your purpose has to be fulfilled only by you, that's when everything else attached to you will begin to win. So I wanted to make this video on today, you guys. When I tell you I am over here full of joy, full of the anointing of God, like he's talking to me and he's telling me to make these videos, put my message out there, and that's what I'm here to do. Today is my first day literally quitting my hair salon. I started as a full-time business owner in 2017. 8 years of experience, you guys. Many times I wanted to quit. Many times I wanted to throw in the time. Many times I questioned why in the heck did God have me to start these things, but I still could not hit a millionaire status. I always had the mindset that I needed to make $1 million. Like, that has always been the case for me. That was no question. Because when God told me to quit my 9-to-5 job in 2017, I quit that job and my faith in God literally just shot. Like, I knew then there was no cap and no limit to what I can do here on earth. So ever since then, you guys, like, I've been saying I'm gonna be a millionaire. I'm gonna be a millionaire. I'm gonna be the first person in my family to make $1 million. And I've hit 6 figures multiple times. But you guys, let me tell you what I had to understand. This was bigger than me. In the beginning, I was using my physical hands. I was working for myself. I always have been big on motivating. So yes, I have encouraged so many other people to start businesses. I have helped so many other women launch their businesses. But God needed me to get online. He needed me to be present. And I have wrestled with it for like a year, you guys. I kept saying, I know God is calling me to literally talk about business. I know He wants to use me. But I kept trying to push it off. I kept pushing it off until I no longer could push it off. So today is the first day of me literally being retired as a hairstylist. Now, throughout the process, I have did other businesses. I've been a hairstylist. I've sold bundles, clothes, had a boutique. I've been a credit repair specialist. I've invested into real estate, which I currently still do invest into real estate. So when I tell you guys, like, there is no business that I do not have experience in. Besides doing the trading, I don't have experience in that. I have literally started a lot of companies online. I have literally had my hands in a lot of things over these past 8 years. So when I tell you guys, I'm here to help you to understand that your business has to be started, it's because I was ordained for this position. It was because God sent me here to start this business. It wasn't because I said I just need to make fast money. No, this is my purpose. This is the gift that God gave me, and I'm able to use it online to help other people understand that they have a destiny and that their purpose must be fulfilled. Now, I know a lot of you may be saying, okay, why digital products? Why do you feel like digital products? I 100% feel like digital products is a business for anyone to get started with. And that's because with digital products, you're able to reach thousands, millions of people all over the world without you having to do physical work. With digital products, you're able to literally make consistent sales every single day, all day long, no matter how much you sleep. And there is literally no cap to how much money you can make. But the thing about digital products is, no matter what you have experienced, no matter what your pain was that you're turning into purpose, no matter what you want to educate or teach people how to do, there is a space for you. With digital products, you can literally create a course explaining step by step. You can teach people. You can literally create a ebook. You can have a guide, a spreadsheet. Like, there are so many different ways to use your gifts and your talents in order to make room for your gifts. So when I say you can turn your pain into your purpose, this is what I mean. Whatever you have experienced in your life, I don't care what it is. I don't care if you was broken, you was homeless, and now you done hit a 6 figures. I don't care if you started as a hairstylist just like me and you want to help teenage girls become hairstylists so they can hit 6 figures. I don't care if you've been in an abusive relationship for years and you finally decided to let it go. I don't care if you are just the best cook in your city and everybody come to you for a specific dish that you know how to make. you can literally start a digital product business. You're able to literally start a digital product business by teaching and educating and giving out valuable content online to help people in your niche. So whatever you want to start with, you guys, there is literally a space for you. So I will always be big on telling people to start with digital products no matter what. The thing about digital products is it don't cost you a lot of money to get started. You can literally be up and launched in 24 hours. Now for me, I am very big on telling people to start with a PLR digital product. A PLR digital product is a private label right product. That means that you have the rights to resell whatever digital product you purchase. If it has a PLR reseller license to it, that means that you keep 100% of the profit. You're able to change it. You're able to put your name on it. You're able to add to it, take away, like anything that you want to do with that certain PLR digital product. You're able to do it however you choose. You can take it and you can bundle that digital product with multiple digital products that are PLR resellers, and you can start making income. Now, a lot of times when it comes to starting your own digital product business, people think that you have to just start with your own digital product, which is very good. That is a very great idea. But if you are a beginner, going the route of PLR is going to always be best for you, because that means that you don't have to take time to create your first ebook or to create your own course. If you are a beginner, it seems like it takes a lot of time to get it done. So as a beginner, I will always say to start with a PLR digital product, so that way you can still have something to sell and you can start making content right away for social media, so you can get in front of your target audience. Now, if you're saying you want to get started with the PLR digital product, you can go ahead and grab my PLR mini course. In this course, I teach you step by step of what to do and how to do it so that you can get your digital product business launched in 24 hours. I also give you a vault full of different digital products that you can choose from, so that you can take them and resell them. You can sell them individually. You can bundle them together. Like, you can do whatever you want to do with these different resellers. And this is going to be the quickest way for you to make 10K. I was literally able to make my first 10K selling PLR digital products that I did not have to even create. So go ahead, grab that if you're ready to get started. You can get it down below in the description as well as in my comments of this video. You guys, once you start promoting content around whatever your niche is, whatever pain you have experienced, you just want to be relatable, and you want to make sure that you're posting consistently online every single day. Like, you cannot expect for your digital product business to take off without you posting. Don't expect to post one time and then think that you're finna go viral. That is not how it works. Like, you need to make sure that you're showing up every day. And let me tell you guys, I thought it was very hard to be consistent, but the hard thing is what I was programming in my mind. I told myself that it was hard, but the honest truth is nothing is hard that we want to do, but you have to be willing to do it. So for the last 29 days, I have literally posted a YouTube video every single day. No short videos, a long form video every single day. Today is day 29. Mind you, I done recorded like 4 videos just sitting right here. Let me tell you, I have made it a habit of recording freaking long videos, you guys, because I changed my mindset and I told myself not making a YouTube video was no longer an option. I have a non-negotiable. I don't care what time of the day it is. I don't care what time of the night it is. I don't care what I got going on. I'm literally going to make a YouTube video and I'm going to get it posted. I'm pushing myself until 120 days of posting on YouTube every single day. And that's because what I have done is condition my mind to say it's non-negotiable, because the people who are attached to my purpose, they need me. I have to show up not for me, but for them. I have to make sure that I'm here to help you guys to understand that this is no longer a non-negotiable. God has called you to bigger. He has called you to greater, and it's time for you to lock in. So I'm here to make sure that I'm showing up and I'm doing my part, but I hope and pray that you're willing to do your part, and that it starts with this video right here. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you're ready to get started with your digital product business, go down below and grab the PLR mini course. But if you're saying you need a little more information and you want more in-depth on what digital products is, you can go ahead and grab my freebie down below that explains more about what digital products is. I also give you 100 digital product ideas that you can go ahead and start with as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you back here on my next video. Bye.